I've been really missing this push stick holder I made for my job site saw. This one was great because no matter where I move the fence, the push stick stays there, and it simply attaches with T-track. But on my new table saw, the fence is this adjustable kind, which is nice, but it doesn't have T-track to hold it. So I was thinking I could take advantage of these front knobs and make something that actually holds two push sticks this time. So I'm starting off by making a clamping plate out of 1/4-inch plywood. This is going to be 16 by 3 inches. I'm going to add these bolt holes. They're going to be 1 inch from the end. I just had to line these up with the knobs. I'm also cutting out the slots just with a jigsaw to make this easy. And then I'm also cutting the corners. This is just aesthetics though. There's really no functionality behind doing this. Now to test it out, you can see how it works here. It pops on and the knobs can be tightened and it holds the fence just fine. Next, I'm using 3/4-inch plywood to make a brace plate. This is going to be 11.5 by 3 inches. And then I also need a base, not brace, base plate at 11.5 by 6 inches. And you can see here how these are going to go together. Basically, the brace plate here, the purpose of this is strengthening up that clamping plate because 1/4-inch plywood isn't that strong. So all I'm doing is gluing and clamping this in place. After that dries, I can attach the base plate here. It just attaches right to the side of that bracing plate. Next, I need a divider plate. This is 10 3/4 by 2 1/4 inches. And then I have to cut out a rear plate. This is going to be 6 by 2 1/4 inches. I'm first attaching the rear plate. This is simply going to be glued and screwed in place in between. You can see here the base and brace. And lastly, I'm attaching the divider piece. I'm just using 1 inch spacing because that's all I needed for my regular push stick, but that still leaves me plenty of room for the thin rib push stick or any other wider push stick.